Hi, we are a group of engineering students at Highland Park High School. I'm Jason.
I'm Claire.
And I'm James.
Imagine that you are in a multi-story nursing home and there's a fire that breaks out. Imagine that you are unable to walk, which makes it very difficult to escape the building. Imagine how hard it is as a staff member to facilitate all these patients and make sure that all of them are evacuated safely. Imagine now that the best solution is to call the fire department and have them evacuate the patients one by one. Well, now stop imagining, because this happens to be the procedure for every nursing home fire right now. People die way too frequently in nursing home fires. This has happened over and over for the past 60 plus years. The Kate James Nursing Home in Morganton, Missouri, for example, lost over half of the residents in 1957. Now I know what you're thinking right now. You're thinking that this doesn't happen anymore. You haven't heard anything on the news, so it must not be a problem. You're thinking that there is so much technology these days that this couldn't be a problem. Well, recently there was a fire in a Taipei hospital and 9 people died, with another 15 being injured.
As people age, many decide to move into assisted living facilities or nursing homes. As of 2004, approximately 1.5 million elderly Americans are residents of a nursing home. With the aging baby boomer population, that number is likely to grow in the near future. While the homes effectively care for the elderly population, a safety concern has risen. As many of the residents are unable to move quickly on their own, especially downstairs, a fire could trap those on the upper building floors, leading to numerous fatalities and even injuries. The focus of this project is to design a product able to assist the elderly or otherwise immobile escape from the upper floors of a nursing home in the event of a fire. The current process involves the fire department removing residents one by one to safety. This method is time-consuming and inefficient. In addition to the lives of the elderly being put in danger, if the fire spreads unpredictably, the lives of the firemen would be in danger as well.
Currently, firemen operate the evacuation procedures using the tiller ladder. The benefit of our product compared to the tiller ladder is that seniors could be evacuated immediately instead of waiting for the fire department to arrive and then be evacuated one by one. Among the tiller ladder, the current solutions for evacuations include stairs, ladders, and inflatable slides installed on aircraft. Most seniors are physically unable to use stairs or ladders, thus unable to evacuate the building safely. Ladders and stairs are unsafe even in general use, and the risk only increases for the elderly. More than 100,000 senior citizens are treated for stair-related injuries every year. Why is this important to you? Your grandparents, and eventually you yourself, may end up in a nursing home. The loss of life to nursing home fires can be avoided if adequate precautions are put into place. Our objective is to produce a solution that prevents these deaths from ever happening. Thank you for listening.